Carnelian goes back to ancient Egypt, known as the sunset stone, a stone for courage, endurance, energy, motivation, and leadership. Heals the mind, body, and soul, or known to boost fertility. Keeps you grounded and balanced. Green quartz awakens love, empathy, and compassion. Helps you look at the brighter side of things. Turns negative energy into positive energy. Allows you to deal with stressful situations without causing distress and will reduce anxiety. Good luck and financial success. Polycarmy jasper, powerful manifestation crystal, will assist you bringing your dreams and desires to life, carrying the energy to help you manifest abundance and prosperity at all levels. Will help you control conflict and rage, allowing you to distress, a protective crystal that will keep harm away.